Well, my technology is basically giving you the ability to have that home help 24/7 and help you with any other tasks as far as like laundry, dishes, housekeeping, yard work, or whatever. And owning your own personal robot is definitely the future. Rosie the Robot from Jetsons is here, basically. And I would like everybody to have something like that in their home, basically. If you're a creative person or want to spend more time with your family instead of doing dishes, laundry, and perpetual cleaning and yard work or what. That's kind of the summary. That's my like.
Well, that's a very strong hook because sign me up. I'm ready for. I don't like doing any of that stuff, and nor do I. This sounds like a sort of a snotty elite thing to say. I don't really like hiring people to do that too, because then you have to be there and you have to coordinate with them and you have to call 10 people to get one person to return a call. And then you got to call them 10 times to have them show up. I mean, it's one reason why I personally downsized from, a house with a whole lot of amenities and toys to an apartment, is I don't want to do this stuff myself. And I don't want to spend my life managing other people, in part because I think we live in a modern culture where everyone wants to be a Bitcoin billionaire. Nobody wants to do someone else's dirty work, which I don't blame them. I don't want to do other people's dirty work. I don't even want to do my own dirty work.